The meme coin game never gets boring. Attention moves from token to token. It starts off with a small token, then grows bigger. Then at some point the upside potential isn't there anymore. No new investors go in, and so we're going to the next token. And so here we are with Smog on the Solana chain, up more than 60% today alone. This week we more than 4x'd, and this month we more than 5x'd. And the market cap is still just at 350 million. Compare that to Bonk. Bonk is 8 times the size. And so you can already tell from the beginning of this video that I'm not going to sell you the marketing jazz on the website, etc. This is not how we can get alpha in this market. And since meme coins are an attention game, the question is always how many new traders are getting into the token. And the nice thing about Smog is that it's still 100% traded decentralized. All trading happens directly on the Solana chain, on Radium and on Jupiter. There's no trading on MEXC or on Binance or on any of those centralized exchanges, making the data extremely transparent. And this is where we can get our edge. We can have a look at how many new people are actually entering the Smog token. So here we go. Let's have a look at that chart. The chart starts on the 7th of February. And of course, the first day there were only first-time traders. There was no recurring traders. More first-time traders entered, and the number of recurring traders started to rise a little bit. Then this flipped once on the 12th of February and on the 17th of February. But then, especially starting from the 29th, a lot of new investors, a lot of new traders enter again. Now let's have a look at that date, the 29th of February. That's over here in this chart. This is just when the rally started. So this is how we can get an edge in the market, right? We don't just look at price charts. We don't just draw random lines on anything. We look at on-chain data and we check, are there actually new people jumping on this? And if the answer is yes, then the likelihood is very high that the price continues to rise. Because if it's only existing traders that trade the token back and forth and no new capital is flowing in, then how can we expect that any positive momentum will continue? And so there are not a lot of tokens that look like this. For today, we don't yet see the first-time traders outpacing recurring traders, but this seems to be normal in any token. It looks like the first-time traders tend to enter later in the day. The ratio is still healthy. The price chart still looks nice, and the market cap is relatively low. It's not a micro cap, but there's still upside potential. So if this video gets watched enough, and in case the price moves very radically up or down, I will of course make a follow-up. And if you want to see that follow-up, feel free to subscribe because I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. If you've got Telegram, feel free to join us. Link is down below.